destiny.
Welcome back to No Sticks, No Bricks.
Hey guys, this week it's all about the 2023 Quartzsite RV show. We also go to the Desert Bar, which is a bar out in the middle of nowhere. We take the Jeep with some fellow YouTubers, and we got much, much more. So stick around. Here we go. Well, you ready to go into the show today?
Yeah, you gotta layer up for this crap weather that's going on here.
Gosh, it's blowing like 50-mile-an-hour gusts right now.
Oh, yeah. We gotta put the patio up.
Yeah, the wind was coming from the patio and it was just cutting right through the RV.
It's so cold.
Yeah, this is, remember last year when we said we're going to Arizona next year?
And if it's not the actual air temperature that makes you feel chilly, it's going to be the wind chill on Saturday before the big freeze, because the freeze is going to feel like it's in the middle 20s, even though the air temperatures will be in the upper 30s.
We're going to Arizona next year.
Yeah, I'm going back to Florida.
Yeah, it's time to go back to Florida.
Sure, I got a hoodie on, I got a puffy vest on.
All right, we're back. Looks definitely a lot different now that it's actually open. This parking lot is completely packed.
To the right?
It's early though. They just opened probably 20 minutes ago, so it's not too terrible right now, but glad it's gonna be indoors because this wind is humming. Now I know a lot of you guys probably been at the Tampa RV show last week, but Quartzsite RV show just started. It's still got like 7 more days. And did you know that it's free to get into the Quartzsite RV show?
Sites and when you call them,
RV park,
you'll want to ask them.
Canab,
The Canab.
Oh, okay.
It's like close to Moab, but it's a little bit different. It's a new RV resort, so it's part of a membership. You can do like all the slot canyons and.
So this back, especially if you've got a.
Why not?
Like, do you have a tow or a trailer behind your car? With a car, you can pretty much.
The wheel for a free prize?
Yeah. What did you win?
Water bottle.
Water bottle from Westwind.
There you go.
The lady won the water bottle from Westwind. Very nice.
Don't even need ice today.
No.
Today. Free round of golf. Play golf? No. Water bottle or keychain?
Water bottle. There you go. Thank you. You were like,
Uh-oh, we know what those water bottles are getting filled with tonight.
maybe. Well, of course. Water from grapes.
Absolutely.
Well, they don't have a heater in here.
No.
But there's no wind.
It's still chilly.
Yeah.
You got free sets of your choice. You can make sure you guys $100.
All right, I got my man Jason here.
Howdy, I'm Jason with Escapees. We're a club that's been around since 1978. We do a boot camp training seminar for new RVers. We do a Smart Way program for your rig. We do events all around the country, and we do a really cool mail service. You can sign up for us and have it change your domicile if you want. Get a good deal on your mail.
Can you check your mail online through your service?
You totally can. We've got a scanning service that you can sign up for, and
fantastic.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Well, awesome. Well, thanks, Jason.
Thanks.
Appreciate it, man. I'm Jason too.
That's awesome.
So how many of you are part of the Escapees RV Club? It's one of the clubs that we have known about, but we've never actually explored. So if you're part of them, let us know and kind of tell us about it. How many of you have smacked your shin against a hitch? Dog cheese.
It's like a Himalayan cheese.
Himalayan yak cheese.
It's yak cheese.
Yak cheese.
Yak
And,
cheese.
and yak cheese, and they smoke it for 2 months.
Wow.
Thank you.
Should we get a hot tub for the RV, babe?
That'd be awesome. Yeah, I wish. The patio.
Yeah. I don't know if the patio would support that weight.
I mean, this one's all set up for me already, pretty much other than the water. Got my wine. Got some.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Kind of miss our hot tub.
I do too.
We'd be in Alaska in the wintertime. Our hair would be frozen, sitting in the nice warm hot tub.
Oh, yeah.
Northern lights going off. Pretty awesome.
Could have got some ones for today that, you know,
Furry Crocs.
that were furry.
Match the other side, huh?
It would match the other side.
Babe, I found your sign.
That's for sure my sign.
Bucket stool.
Snack pack.
How big is the snack pack?
Pack of pecans.
Snack pack of pecans.
Yes, please. Thank
You are going to share, right?
you. Yeah, that's why I got it. Good morning. And they're warm.
Feels pretty good, huh?
Yes. And I normally bring my summer with me everywhere, and I'm
Yeah.
so cold.
Hello!
Well, hello there.
We are members. We're coming just to say hi.
All right.
You can pick a hand, left or right.
Right.
Right hand. You want a flashlight.
Thank you.
Hey.
Pick a hand. All right. Want to take it in there?
Hey guys, we can play cards tonight.
Man, let's see big money, no whammies. We want
No whammies, no whammies.
Can't even see it.
Can't see it.
winner, winner, chicken dinner. What's that t-shirt today?
A 3 years worth of full-time RV insurance policy.
Oh, that'd be awesome, right?
Oh, bummer. Dun, 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 dun. I got it. I got him.
Better be a winner.
Everybody's a winner.
You got the deck of cards, but if you want to switch, you can do a map of the United States, so it's like a scratch off, or a camper map. We'll take the cut.
Look at that. You're like professional.
Thank you.
Tiny home. Should we get a tiny home?
Yeah.
We kind of got a tiny home. It's just on wheels.
Well, maybe this is what we put on property one day,
Yeah?
and then have the RV.
That'd be cool.
And who's going to sleep on top?
Not me.
Not me. Not it.
Not it.
Look at that countertop. I think it's nice. Oh, that's cool. The bathroom. Shower. On-demand water heater. It's pretty slick, and that's how you get to the bed. Look at that. That's a pretty cool ladder. It's tall in here. Is this your home?
It's not my home. I live in a 8x16
Oh, okay.
back in Newport, Tennessee. So this is 4 feet longer and a foot taller than mine.
So this is pretty big then.
This is a Taj Mahal to me.
Well, we live in a fifth wheel RV.
Do you? Yeah.
Yeah. So it's something a little bit similar.
Awesome. Where are you folks? Where are you from?
We're from Alaska.
Stop.
Yeah.
And you came all the way down here?
We're full-time RVers now. We travel around the U.S. and do YouTube and document our channel. And
Awesome.
document our journey, I should say.
That's cool, you guys.
It's a blast. We love it.
Cool. They can work?
Sensor cleaner?
Yeah.
No.
Because they're so accurate.
Those sensors cannot be cleaned. They just are never accurate. 7 RVs we've had, and not one of them has been accurate.
Never.
I need one of those. I never have to bend over.
Yeah.
There's electric. There's the trike, guys. All right, I got my man Alex here from Electric. He's going to talk about this new little trike action got going on here. What you got here?
A little cold out here
Yeah,
today,
it is.
but this
Brave
is our
the cold.
XV trike, our 3-wheeled model coming out for pre-order on February 7th.
February 7th, okay.
The pre-order is going to include a basket in the front and a basket in the front, or a basket in the rear and front if you get it during that pre-order period.
Okay, cool.
Going to be priced at $14.99.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Comes with a removable 14 amp hour battery in the rear. Has a rear diff, so both wheels can move independently in the back.
Oh, wow.
You've kind of got a 3-light setup here. One in the center is going to be a blinker when you pull the brakes.
Nice.
Hydraulic brakes up top, featuring a throttle and
Hydraulic
same
brakes.
display with button pad for your pedal assist and everything like that.
Cool.
But the thing's pretty fun.
Look at the size of the headlight, too. I bet that thing's nice and bright.
It's very, very bright. That kind of convex lens gives you like a nice square projection of light in front of you.
All right, very cool.
It's a pretty fun thing to ride.
So here probably next month then the people can start ordering these.
Next month, pretty soon. February 7th will be the day it goes live on our website. We'll have all of our specs loaded into there. Like I said, $14.99 for that thing.
All right, fantastic. And make sure you guys use our link where we are affiliates for Electric, and that way we get a little help on the side.
Yes.
All right, well, thanks a lot, Alex.
Of
Appreciate
course.
you. All right, guys, we are getting ready to do some Jeeping with all these other YouTubers. We're going out to the Desert Bar. Here she comes, just walking down the street, singing do-ah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-doo. The 80s are coming back.
It's all about the 80s, baby.
Right.
Yes. Ooh, and your
I got
nice
my
purple
crimped hair.
lipstick.
It's perfect.
I got the crimped hair, 80s.
The purple lipstick.
I love
Where's your
it.
Rubik's Cube?
I got my Reuben.
Ruben, that's right.
I'm here.
There he is.
Okay, the party could start now.
That's right. All right, so we are off the pavement now. It's about a 5-mile trip from the pavement on gravel, is what it looks like. Basically just a gravel road from here to the Desert Bar. I don't know how gnarly it gets. I don't think it does get real gnarly, but
I don't
we'll let you know.
think it would. I mean, there's people out here in their regular vehicles. And
Yeah, I think it's just more like a gravel road that goes out to this bar.
I'm sure you can do some of the there's a bunch of trails out here. Probably if you want to take a different way. But we're just going to stick with the main route.
You notice what it's lacking? No wind.
Oh my
no
gosh.
wind here.
Block there.
The wind is
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah.
This is
Oh my
great.
gosh.
This place is packed.
Slide that to kids. Sure do you know?
That's right.
Hit that subscribe button, baby.
Everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey,
All metal. It's pretty cool.
We gotta find a restroom.
Find a restroom?
Yep.
Okay.
This place is.
give a damn this time.
In the cave.
I almost went in the woman's bathroom.
Yeah, the cave and toilets.
All right.
Everyone's a hypocrite.
Well, this is pretty cool. There's a ton of people here. Now it's time to get some grub.
No, at the show.
Where did you get that, Lori?
I got this at the Quartzsite RV show.
Ah, what does it say on the package? Is it really a pill?
Viagra. Remember the hard times.
You're pushing 50.
Nice commercial.
I couldn't resist.
Garlic breath and Viagra is going to be a great night.
All right, we're gonna open it.
What's in
is
there?
it blue or is it a mint?
Take the blue pill or the red pill.
Oh.
It's white.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
Is it a knockoff Viagra? Is it a knockoff?
Smell like a man?
It's mint. No good times tonight.
I guess you gotta remember the soft times now.
I was just gonna say, remembering the sad times, but soft is better. Now we're at the top overlooking the bar. It's pretty cool. So beautiful out here. If you guys have been to this bar before, let us know in the comments. Made it.
I'm full though.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that Angus Young? Well, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, please click the like button. Consider subscribing. It really helps us out. Don't forget to click the little bell so you're notified whenever we release new videos. And until next week, guys, safe travels.